What's up, guys, and welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. Today we are race prepping the FR-S, and we're doing something that I've resisted for at least 4 or 5 years now. We're upgrading. So let me show you what changes we're making to the car this year. The first thing we're doing is new tires. Now, I ran these Falcons last year, but we're going a little different this year. So for this year, we're jumping up to 255, sticking with the Sticking with the Falcon RT660s. I did really like these tires. The progressive drop off and the feel were honestly astounding, and the grip was really good. They're not peaky like a 71R is, so they're really easy to manage and drive loose the way I like to drive. So the next thing we're doing is rear camber. We've got new arms from Virus Engineering. You guys know I love this company. I have the diffuser, I have the front splitter from them, and now I have some nice aluminum adjustable arms. These will be much more adjustable than the SPC arms that I have in there now. I'll be able to get more camber out of the back, which means I'll be able to add more camber to the front and keep the same balance, and I'll have more overall grip, I think. I hope. And then the last thing we're doing in regards to upgrades is some bump stops. Did a little playing around over the winter with some math, which I'm not good at, so hopefully I got it right. And picked out some bump stops for the rear. These will hopefully make the rear springs a little more progressive, and it's already working. These things have already gone on Facebook from their iPhone and posted anti-capitalism rants while connected to the Starbucks Wi-Fi in their favorite Target. So I'd say it's working. We're also going to be... I didn't think about the noise. We're also going to be changing the oil. That was a dumb clip. This is my special bolt removing screwdriver. There we go. Because these arms are getting fully replaced, I want to kind of at least get them in the ballpark of where the camber's supposed to be, so that driving over to the shop, I don't have any crazy alignment issues. So I'm going to measure bolt hole center to bolt hole center on both sides, and then just copy that over to the new control arms. 45 and 45 on the driver's side as well. SPC arms for sale. DM me if you want them. We'll make a deal. 35. Yeah. All right. So that's 45 center bolt hole. Bingo. All right, so lock these down. So both are measured out at 45 centimeters, and it's time to bolt these in the car. All right, they're hanging. Now we just got to swap out the coilovers, and then we'll bolt everything together. And that's pretty much it for summer prep. She's pretty much ready for race season. Tune in next week because we are gonna summer prep the rest of these guys. We got some oil changes for the big girls and the two-wheeled girls. So Everybody's gonna get oil changes, diff fluids, tranny fluids. So everybody's getting an oil change and a bath next week. So hit subscribe and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.